week 2 has come and gone. I think we only had 3 days. Did we have 3 or 4 days on week 2?
We had 2 days.
We had 3 days. I worked on it. Not much progress. Week 2. Week 3. Day 1. There's where we're at. Still got the pink stuff sitting out there. No zips on the side. We're going to go up with one course on the roof. And then we're going to start putting down some zip. That's what we're doing today. Hopefully we'll make much progress. I don't know. Right, Tucker? Right, Tucker? Tucker. You know, you lay rafters out 24 inches on center, which that would be from that rafter, but when you put foam board up there, you're an inch further. You're an inch further out, so your on center isn't really on 24 inch centers anymore. You're off by an inch.
Well, Monopoly framing is definitely a challenge.
Yeah, these are things Monopoly framing that they don't tell you. They just say, hey, it's cool. There's lots of benefits, which there is, but there's some things that they don't tell you. Like nobody tells you your walls now get extended up by 5.5 inches. Which means your zip board has to go up 5.5 inches, which means you got a strip of 5.5 inches of zip board somewhere. Since these walls are 8 feet, you put it at the 8 foot.
So you just added an inch of height.
We're learning. It's fun. It's okay. It's all good. Week 3, day 2. Didn't shoot much video of yesterday because all we did was put up this more insulation foam board. So today, though, we get to actually put up some zip board. That'll be fun. So the idea is we'll put up the walls, and then we'll put it up on this side of the roof, and then I could actually walk on it and get the rest of this foam board filled in over on this side. I think you need to do this wherever that hits. Up there where the roof was going to come down and meet it, so it sits on top of it.
Above our little piece then.
Yes.
Just trying to figure out where is up. Alright, tell you what, I'm going to hold this up here, but you probably want to get the level and make sure we're, like close.
To the east side, and you go down there where we started, try to see if I can hit some rafter tails. Yeah.
It's like we really only put in a week's worth of work.
That's true.
I mean, week 3, day 2 sounds like, oh my gosh, you've been working on it for so long. Total, 8 days. Sorry, my commentary. Now go away.
I was just gonna where she didn't know where I was going was I was just gonna be like, all right, here's an update on week 3, day 2. We're not done, but it is blazing hot out in that sun. And I should not have left that ladder out there because those aluminum steps, when they hit your shin, oh my gosh, it's just fire. But we're just taking a break, and so this is as far as we're at. We've got that side over there's the north wall. That side's done. That's the west wall in the back. We got that. We still have to do the peak of that gable. We just decided, can we just get all the way done with the south side here and then get at least the north side done and leave the gable. That's our goal for the end of the day. But man, it's just freaking hot out there, and that's fine.
I have to leave in 40 minutes.
No! Well, all right, we need to at least get those 2 pieces up.
Those 2 pieces up.
You know what we're not doing? We're not going to finish the south wall, and we're not even going to touch the east wall over there where the garage door is. So the only thing we're actually going to get done are those two pieces right there. Because Shelly has to go because it's vacation Bible school, and she has to run audio and video for it. 40 minutes. I think we can get those two pieces up. We should time it. How long does it take if we're really trying?
I'm afraid we'd be really sad with our time. We're old now.
All right. Let's just guess. You love to guess at these things.
Okay.
What's your guess, Shell? How long?
It's gonna take us, it's probably about 10 to 15 minutes per piece, so it'll probably take us a half hour.
Half hour. Half hour. All right,
then
that's
we gotta
Shelly's
clean
guess.
up.
I'm going under. I'm a pusher. All right. Better put my tool belt on, then I can start a timer. I need my big hat because it is sunny out there. Oh, you know what? I need bars and nails too.
When do I start the stopwatch?
Oh, you starting it?
Yeah.
Start it now.
Start it now, okay.
Start it now. 30 minutes. I'm going under. Under 30. What do you got? Okay. Let's go. Let's see.
Am I stopping it?
No. Alright, let's go see Shelly's timer. Go in the shade. Yeah. What is it? 14. Boom! Under by a mile. I don't want to do that again. It's hot. But we did
Now
it.
we gotta go rest for 20 minutes?
Yeah, now we gotta go rest for 20 minutes because, you know, the sweat's just dripping off your arms. Sawdust's mixing in with your sweat on your shirts, turning it into a paste. Probably use it as wood filler if we needed to because it would match.
That's gross.
Just saying. It's the reality of where we're at. Week 3, day 2. We'll do one walk around as a wrap up because the little pink house is turning into a little greenhouse. It actually is like starting to look like the little Monopoly house. Which I don't know if I'll do the same framing on the big house. Still got to do that gable wall. And there you go.